Hello, welcome guys. Welcome to the another Angular tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about ngIf directive. Okay, ngIf. Suppose many of you, the developers, know about how to write a condition for if/else in any programming language. But we are using this ngIf directive inside the HTML. So yes, Angular provides that functionality. So we are going to write two divs here. Okay, and right here, suppose this is true condition. Okay, condition. Okay, and I will take another div and right here this is false condition. Okay, so if now we have to use the ngIf. So to use the ngIf we have to write the star. Okay, and here you can see that ngIf equals, we have to write here a condition. So I write here true condition, so this will give true and this will display this condition. Okay, so as we can see that our application is running, and see we are able to see now both the condition because here we didn't apply anything. Okay, so I remove this currently so you will get a better idea. Okay, so this is the true condition. Okay, if ngIf condition is true, then only this block is going to display. Okay, so if I write here false, okay, so I just change the text here so you will not getting confused. Hello all, I will write here hello. Okay, so this you can able to see that there is nothing display here because our condition is getting false. If I write here true, then we are able to see the hello all here. Okay, because our condition is getting true. Okay, so this will this is how it is going to handle. If the condition is true, then this block is getting displayed, otherwise it will hide. Okay, so if we want to use with some boolean value, okay, I will write here is showing. Okay, I will take this as a boolean and its value currently is, I will take as a true. Okay, so I will just copy this and paste out here instead of true. Okay, because of the is showing boolean value is we initialize with true, so the condition is true and we are able to see this hello all block, div block. Okay, so see we can able to see this. Okay, and if I change this it to the false here itself, okay, so automatically our condition is getting false, so this will not going to display again. This, see, we are not able to see anything. Okay, so that is how the ngIf is going to work in Angular. So thank you guys for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.